Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my easy but yet delicious oven baked chicken. So for this I'm going to be using some chicken drumstick. As you can see, they were on sale at my local grocery store, so I stacked up on them. And you are going to be needing some bell pepper and some onions that I just chopped. Don't have to be anything fancy. And I have a couple pieces of sage that was left over from Thanksgiving that I'll be using. And you'll need between 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. And I have 2 tablespoons of epis, aka my Haitian spice. I do have this video up on this channel showing you guys exactly how I make it. Check the description box so you can find the link for that video. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of my Slap Your Mama seasoning. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm going to be using 1 lime to clean my chicken, and of course some salt. And also you need a baking sheet that I lined up with some foil just to help me with the mess. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so I already went ahead and cut my lime. Now you want to squeeze out some of the juice. Try to save at least 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice of your lime. And then now we can start cleaning our chicken. I like to make some cuts, that way I know the seasoning get inside my chicken, just like this. You can do a couple of them if you'd like. And of course remove as much fat as you can. I will be keeping the skin on my chicken, that way it can protect it. It can make it can help prevent my chicken from being too dry while it's cooking. Again, I'm just making a couple slits on the chicken and also cutting it how I want. Like I say, you can do 1 or 2 cuts however you want, just so we can get the seasoning to go in there properly. I love those easy dishes that I just have to do. You can do this the night before and just throw it in the oven after school or after work or whatever. So I'm done doing that, and now you are going to want to take your lime and clean your chicken. This is not only cleaning your chicken, but it will enhance some great flavor before you bake your chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all the chicken, and I'm gonna rinse it under some hot water, and then we can start the seasoning process. You want to take a piece of paper towel and pat dry your chicken as much as you can, which I already did some of that. Now you want to go ahead and take your epis, and we are going to just season every piece of our chicken. Don't be scared, as long as your hands are clean, just get in there and basically massage every piece of that chicken. Make sure some of the seasoning get right in the cuts, just like this. If you guys haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, and of course go like my Facebook page and snap with me on Snapchat, and also go check out my Twitter. I don't really do much to my Twitter, but on Instagram and Snapchat I try to be pretty active. And then now you want to get all the seasoning and just pour on top and just mix everything. And also, if you haven't, go subscribe to my other channel. I have a channel that I do these recipes that I only speak Creole. So I will leave all those links down in the description box for you guys to check out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in that lime juice. And make sure every piece gets some of that juice. And then I'm going to take my sage, just cut it up, nothing too exciting, and just put on top. And then now I'm going to take my flour. I like using the flour because it makes the gravy, that natural juice that the chicken will give out. It makes that gravy nice and thick. I might not even use all of it. I usually make more chicken, but my husband wants fish tonight, and the kids and I want chicken, so this is what we will have. Just like this. So you want to go ahead and put this in the fridge and let it marinate for at least an hour. After 45 minutes of marinating my chicken, now it's ready to be put in the pan. I went ahead and stick that pan under the oven just so the butter can melt, or you can do that in the microwave as well if you wish. So now all I'm doing is putting my chicken in there, making sure that butter spreads. I'm not using any oil, so that's why I'm using butter. And then just put my chicken in that pan. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And we are going to bake this for about 45 minutes. So now you just want to go ahead and take your onion and pepper. Just try to put them anywhere that you have space. So this is going to go under the oven uncovered for 45 minutes about. Okay guys, my chicken is all done. As you can see, it looks so beautiful and it looks so juicy. And I see a piece here that I'm gonna take and show you guys. You guys can see how juicy that looks, and it is super hot. In between cooking, so halfway through the cooking, I went ahead and flipped them over just so the other side can cook as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste this piece that is super hot. So give me a second. It's so good. I can taste that lime juice, which makes it just so delicious to me. The chicken is nice and soft, and I can still taste that epis. I just love it. Hopefully you guys give this recipe a try. This is a really simple, easy one, but it tastes so delicious. You can eat this with some rice or some quinoa, whatever you wish to eat it with. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.